Hi, our students. We have now the part 3 of lipid profile test. We have now the find concentration of HDL cholesterol in our blood. We know that HDL is a high density lipoprotein, is the major class of a plasma lipoprotein. The HDLs serve as to remove all the cholesterol from pyroid cells and take it to the liver. There, the cholesterol will convert it to be a bile acid and then secrete in the intestine. This test, we need two participants, 1 and 2. The number 1 is precipitate the HDL, LDL and VLDL and chylomicron. By use a reagent have phosphotingistic acid and magnesium ion. We use this reagent for precipitate LDL and VLDL and the chylomicron that's found in the serum. And then we will see the sequences of the test. We take this micropipette, the serum. We need for 200 microliter from serum. My micropipette is 100, then I need to draw 2 times to have 200 microliter of serum. Then we add the reagent, we say, of HDL cholesterol that have phosphotingistic acid and magnesium ion. (500 microliter) and add it on the serum. Mix and stay on the bench for 10 minutes. Then convert it into a plain tube. A plain tube. We must put it in the centrifuge. The centrifuge, like this, we open it. This plain tube have the serum and HDL reagent. We must balance the centrifuge by another tube, have the same amount of liquid. You see? Have the same amount of liquid for keep the balance of centrifuge. Cover it, and we need 6,000 spare to need 2 minutes to have around on the centrifuge. You see, we have the 2 minutes to finish it. This way, 4 gets supernatant and the parts of LDL and VLDL in the chylomicron. The supernatant liquid have HDL in the serum, HDL cholesterol in the serum. After 2 minutes finished, we will see this. After 2 minutes finished of centrifuge, we will have this. You see, the supernatant have HDL cholesterol. Then we need for taking 100 of the supernatant only. You see, 100 of the supernatant only. And then we need for 1,000 of microliter of cholesterol reagent. Cholesterol reagent. 1,000 microliter of reagent, cholesterol reagent, as the part 2 of the test. Mix, and we need 5 minutes on the water bath. After 5 minutes, we see the change in the color. We see the change in the color like this, and then take it and we add 500 nanometer. To see the result, 0.006. We need the leaflet to calculate the absorbance of sample, it's 0.06, or the absorbance of standard, 0.02. Peak concentration of standard we take in from this. Then we get the concentration of HDL cholesterol in the serum. Now, the 3 part above, we take find the concentration of cholesterol and TG, triglyceride, and HDL cholesterol. Then we must find LDL concentration by this equation. If we need the concentration by milligram per deciliter, we say LDL cholesterol equal total cholesterol minus TG over 5 minus HDL cholesterol. In this equation, TG divided on 5 if we need the result by milligram per deciliter. But if we need LDL by millimole per liter, we will divide TG on 2.2. We now find the concentration of HDL in serum and then LDL in the serum. We have to say, if we have the concentration of HDL is very high, it means we have take alcohol or many exercise. And if HDL concentration is very low, it means we have hungry for a long time, or liver disease, or coronary heart disease. That's it.